In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the search bar and sidebar in Asana. 5 minutes. First, log into your Asana workspace so you're on the home screen. We'll start with the search bar at the top. Click into it and begin typing a few keywords. This could be part of a task title, a project name, or a person's name. Asana returns matching items instantly, so you can often find what you need just by typing a couple of characters. If you see what you're looking for in the dropdown, go ahead and select it to jump straight in. If you want more precise results, open Advanced Search from the search bar. This is where you can apply filters to narrow things down. Add filters like assignee to see work assigned to a specific person, project to limit results to a single initiative, due date to target a time window, attachments to find tasks with files, or completion status to separate open and completed work. You can combine multiple filters to get exactly what you need. A few quick examples. Assignee me keeps the list focused on your tasks, project. Launch isolates work in a single project, and due date. Tomorrow helps you see what's coming up next. When you're ready, run the search and review the results. If you'll use this search again, star it to save it. Starring the results adds that search to your sidebar so you can reopen it later without rebuilding the filters. This is great for recurring needs like my open tasks this week or all tasks with attachments in the launch project. The results stay dynamic, so the saved search always reflects the latest work that matches your criteria. Next, let's talk about the sidebar. Use the sidebar to jump between your teams, projects, inbox, and goals. It's your command center for navigation. To keep important places at your fingertips, click the star next to key projects or any saved searches. Those items appear in the Start section, giving you a quick, consistent home for your most used views. Over time, this becomes a personalized shortlist that helps you move faster. If you need more screen space, click the arrow or three-dot icon to collapse the sidebar. You can expand it again anytime when you're ready to switch areas. Finally, remember that anything you star, projects, or saved searches will show in the sidebar. Clicking an item opens the relevant view immediately, keeping you focused and reducing clicks. That's it. Use Quick Search for fast finds, Advanced Search for precision, star searches to save time, and manage your favorites in the sidebar to navigate effortlessly.